Welcome to Cigati Solutions. Are you getting Outlook error 0x800CCC97 when receiving emails? Outlook may get stuck on send-receive, fail to download emails, or crash during sync. Let's first understand what Outlook error 0x800CCC97 means. It's a POP3 incoming mail error, also known as POP3_POP ID out of range. Simply put, Outlook requests a message ID the mail server doesn't recognize, causing incoming emails to fail. However, sending emails through SMTP may still work normally. Before reinstalling Office or deleting your data, let's look at the cause and fix. Common causes of error 0x800CCC97 include a problematic email, PST corruption, antivirus interference, server timeouts, or a corrupt Outlook profile. Let's fix this error with Cigati Outlook PST Repair Tool.
Don't delete your PST. Recover it with Cigati Outlook PST Repair Tool.